Bad news, SpaceX is destroying wildlife in the world. Activists believe while SpaceX is concentrating on exploring distant planets, the company's launch operations are amusingly damaging for our planet Earth, especially in Boca Chica, Texas. Musk marked his territory in the tiny town of Boca Chica in 2014. According to an article recorded by The Guardian, David Newstead, who's the director of the nonprofit Coastal Bend Bays and Estuaries, states that the launch site in Boca Chica is enclosed by land that is state and federally guarded. The location is the assembly site for SpaceX's Starship rocket and has managed and secured historic feats, including the ambitious Mars-bound vehicle. The SpaceX Starship Super Heavy project and launch site are being constructed and extended, although some of the infrastructures still have to be accepted by the Federal Aviation Administration. It's unwanted to say that SpaceX's Boca Chica launch site in Texas has earned global appreciation for historic flights that have been executed, with the most recent being the victorious test flight of Starship SN-15. The previous broken attempts and crashes of the Starship SN-11, SN-12, SN-13, and SN-14 aircraft have flown debris spread all over the coastal area, which compromises grasslands and coastal dunes. Oh boy, environmentalists claim that the smoke released during the test launches and chiefly the crashes are deteriorating Texas' rich wildlife. The activists have even accused the state authorities of granting Musk the land without identifying the environmental impact. American Bird Conservancy, or ABC, is profoundly concerned regarding the facility's influence on wildlife habitat and species classified under the Endangered Species Act, or the ESA, together with the federally threatened piping plover plus red knot, also the endangered northern Aplomado falcon. The environmental importance of this region cannot be overstressed, stated E.J. Williams, ABC's vice president for the Southeast region. It's desperately vital to ensure outgrowths to its natural resources are alleviated. Certainly, eBird records 262 bird species recognized on Boca Chica Beach and 178 bird species in Boca Chica State Park. In extension to threatened and endangered birds, the area surrounding the Boca Chica SpaceX site, over the near 11,000-acre strip, presents a sensitive habitat for other wildlife placed under the ESA. Of the diverse species of sea turtles such as Kemp's Ridley, hawksbill, leatherback, loggerhead, the ocelot, and green, through the Gulf Coast residents of the Jaguarundi. The locality has been accepted by the Environmental Protection Agency as an aquatic resource of national importance, or ARNI. It's also home to a few of the country's different communities of mid-valley riparian woodlands, mid-delta thorn forest, and mid-tidal flats. Boca Chica is strikingly pleasing to birds, says Williams. The SpaceX site in Boca Chica is contained by state and federal public lands utilized by thousands of birds of several distinct species during the year. It's an exceptionally essential place for migratory birds that move through here every spring and fall to relax and refuel so that they can favorably continue and finish their migratory journeys. An Environmental Impact Statement, or EIS, regarding the site was printed by the FAA in 2014, after which SpaceX operations in Boca Chica have grown substantially. For instance, the 2014 EIS has given no remark of the natural gas facility being constructed to obtain and deliver fuel to the site. While a fresh EIS is approved to estimate for continuous major changes, the FAA has rather published a draft Programmatic Environmental Assessment, or P, a more agile, less extensive environmental review. The P does not sufficiently address environmental, habitat, or wildlife matters, nor does it draft alternatives for the public to examine during the observation period that ends on November 1st. Holy Moses! Although the P is not yet concluded, SpaceX has continued with construction activities. The FAA has signaled that SpaceX is building at its own risk. It's as surprising to us as it is to you. However, after 2014, rocket debris, fires, and construction activities have destroyed federal and state public lands circling the Boca Chica locality. Improved traffic on State Highway 4 has directly led to the extinction of wildlife, with corpses of snowy plover, common nighthawk, Harris's hawk, rose-breasted grosbeak, including eastern meadowlark, discovered over the former 2 years. All the species are characterized as birds of conservation concern by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Piping plovers winter in the habitat circling the Boca Chica SpaceX facility. Responding to a study by Coastal Bend Bays and Estuaries program, the piping plover population in the Boca Chica region has faded by 54% over the past 3 years, post which SpaceX began operations testing and launching rockets, registering the declining health of the bird's environment. Human complications, such as highly refined beaches with huge quantities of people and connected coastal recreation, have been proven to directly lead to reduced health and survival of piping plovers. remarked Casey Ray, ABC's Gulf Coast program manager. Imagine how the outcomes of explosions, launching, and rocket testing could threaten the survival of a species, leaving alone the environment it depends on, if exercises such as beach vacationing itself can modify a species' total survival rate. Like most people, I'm a subscriber of space exploration, stated Williams. The problem is the destruction of sensitive habitats that birds bank on for continuance. The FAA must conduct full-scale environmental impact research that exhibits multiple alternatives so the public and stakeholders can better recognize and decide how SpaceX operations are going to affect Boca Chica and its wildlife.